So the Safety Act states that a person will only be detained when it is determined that the defendant possesses a specific, real, and present threat to a person, or has a high likelihood of willful flight. Willful flight. So all the, the purge and all of that stuff, that's cool, right? That's cool. But you got to remember, when they let people out, there's nothing in this world that is free, right? So this Safety Act is an experiment. You feel me? It's a technological experiment as well, too, right? Because what they're trying to do, right? Look, they're telling you in the goddamn sentence. It says, real and present threat to a person or has a high likelihood of willful flight. They're saying, motherfucker, I want you to run, nigga. Chaos in the blood, nigga. Now listen, watch this shit. Boom, it's January 1st, 2023. Somebody get in a car wreck. Drunk driving, whatever, right? He never had no charges, nothing, right? Whatever, right? Boom. He never had no charges. He always clean sheet, right? Just, it was Happy New Year. He got drunk and everything, right? Boom. And they're like, the court says, oh, well, this motherfucker ain't gonna run. He gonna do life. Nah, let's say he does 20. He ain't gonna run. He feels sorry. He's, let's say he's gonna do 20, right? They want motherfuckers to run. They want you to run, nigga. They want whoever caught does acts the crime, right? They want them to run. Why? I'll show you right here. So look, this is what happened when I was a kid, right? When I was a kid, I went to Chicago, right? And I noticed something, and it was in the summertime, beautiful weather, man. Chicago, boy, that shit is a real nice place. My uncle stayed there. He had a big ass house, beautiful time, right, in Chicago, right? We stayed there the whole summer, probably even a little bit longer than 3 months, probably like 4 months. And what I noticed, the biggest thing I noticed was the lightning bugs. We in Houston, we don't have no lightning bugs, right? I ain't never seen no lightning bugs. These things lighting up the night. I'm like, God damn, this is really nice, right? Out here, wow. They got lightning bugs and shit like that. Damn, this is fly, right? This is different. Guess what happened? Boom. These motherfuckers created a contraption, right? Lightning bugs, right? They created these lightning bugs, these little microscopic lightning bugs. Y'all can look this shit up. Look this shit up. This shit is crazy. They created these lightning bugs that is going to be able to track where you are, nigga. They try to let that shit go, nigga. They just created it in June, right, in MIT. And they trying to let that shit go and see how far they can push your if they can find criminals, right, while they run and shit. You feel me? Hey, I'm just telling you what Spirit gave me. Hey, all right, when it comes to the phones, you'd be like, oh yeah, Dream did say that. These lightning bugs they're doing a test run to see how far they can push this shit. How far, if this lightning bug can really pick up. Because look, nobody's running. Niggas don't got no reason to run, right? So now they got to put people in a controlled experiment, right? People that's getting out of jail and say, hey, look, we want you to stay here or whatever. Without like physically having an ankle bracelet or whatever, right? But then also people that do have crimes during that specific time, right? These lightning bugs are going to be able to track where the fuck these motherfuckers are. This shit is The truth is stranger than fiction. Ask Spirit why he gave me that shit. I don't know what time it is. I'm just telling you, shit, that's what it is. These lightning bugs that they created are going to take full effect in Chicago. When they drop that bomb, when they drop them, right? Because January 1st, they're running the experiment. Trust and believe, right? Look, they tell you the Safety Act states that a person will only be detained when it is determined that the defendant possesses a specific, real, and present threat to a person or has a high likelihood of willful flight. Now, listen, they see, you can't let them trick you with that shit. They want that bail money, right? That shit is keeping the cities running shit, right? So when they are doing this experiment, because they're saying they're going to do it for a specific time, they're basically telling you, right, we want niggas to run. We want to see how far, if we can catch their ass with these fucking lightning bugs. I ain't never seen no lightning bugs, and I've been to a few states, right? And maybe I need to go to more or whatever. But in Chicago, them things lit up the sky, boy. And now they're gonna have these technological lightning bugs that's running them up to see if they can find the specific person they need to find. Chaos in the blood. They already got your face recognition, right? So now you do a crime, right? Boom. You're like, man, fuck that. I ain't sitting in jail for 10 years. I'm gone, right? That's what you're thinking in your mind, right? For something that, you're like, oh shit, right? They're gonna let them people out that getting 10 years and stuff that does the crime during that time, 10 years, right? They're gonna let them go. There's gonna be a few of them motherfuckers that run because they ain't trying to do that 10 years. You feel me? And like, fuck that shit. I'm gone. What's that movie? What was that movie, man? Remember that movie with the white dude? And he was about to turn himself in. Yeah, y'all put that movie in the chat. That was a deep. He was turning himself in. 24 hours. That's what it was called. 24 hours. I think it was called 24 hours or something like that. It's called 24 hours. And he was about to turn himself in, and he had to deal with the mental aspect of going to jail for a long time. You feel me? Shit, that motherfucker was thinking about running too, and I think he only had 2 years. So these lightning bugs are coming, family. I'm just telling you what Spirit gave me. They're about to put this experiment into play, and when this experiment happens, it's going down. You feel me?